Welcome back to Luxury Premium Vibe, everyone. If you're looking for a vehicle that perfectly blends modern practicality with premium family comfort, then you've come to the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you never miss our deep dives into the latest automotive releases. Today, we're exploring a highly anticipated model in the midsize SUV segment, the all-new 2026 Kia Sorento Red Edition. Let's find out what makes this SUV stand out this year. Kia has long been known for crafting vehicles that deliver strong reliability, stylish design, and impressive technology at a competitive price point. The Sorento has been one of their most successful models, appealing to families and everyday drivers alike. For this year, Kia has refined the formula even further, enhancing the Sorento's technology, design, and efficiency to make it more competitive than ever. Right off the bat, the 2026 Sorento Red Edition shows a bold and athletic stance. The front fascia has been completely reworked with a sharper, more angular grille design paired with signature LED headlamps that give the SUV a premium and aggressive look. The sculpted body lines and redesigned side profile bring a modern and aerodynamic edge. The exclusive red paint, blacked-out trim, and sporty alloy wheels give the Sorento Red Edition a fresh, dynamic vibe that truly stands out on the road. Under the hood, the 2026 Sorento offers multiple powertrain options, including a turbocharged 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine producing around 281 horsepower. It's paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission that offers smooth yet responsive shifts. Kia has fine-tuned the driving dynamics to deliver more natural acceleration and improved handling. The ride feels quieter, more refined, and surprisingly energetic. Fuel efficiency remains competitive for its class, making it ideal for daily commutes and long family trips. Step inside, and the Sorento continues to impress. The cabin feels more modern and upscale than ever, with premium materials, a cleaner dashboard layout, and a driver-focused cockpit. The centerpiece is the large 12.3-inch touchscreen display equipped with Kia's latest infotainment system, offering wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The interface is fast, the graphics are crisp, and overall usability has been greatly improved. Redesigned seats add comfort and better support for long journeys, and enhanced insulation reduces outside noise for a calmer driving experience. When it comes to practicality, the Sorento remains a strong contender. Rear seat passengers get generous legroom, and the optional third row adds versatility for larger families. Cargo space is impressive for a midsize SUV, and folding down the rear seats opens up even more room, perfect for groceries, sports gear, or weekend adventures.
Welcome to Luxury Premium Vibe. This is the Kia Sorento Red 2026, a perfect blend of efficiency, beautiful sculpted body lines, premium and refined. Parking sensors are sharp and extremely accurate. This Kia Sorento with Red 2026 comes packed with advanced safety features. Collision mitigation, lane assist keeps you centered automatically, smooth, accurate, and incredibly reliable. And the 360 camera gives you a full top-down view, perfect for tight spaces and city driving. Kia Sorento NEOS RED 2026 drives with a balance of smooth power, instant feedback, and elegant precision. Handling is stable and predictable. It stays planted, even during quick lane shifts. These seats are incredibly comfortable, soft leather, perfect support, and smooth recline. Ride quality is beautifully smooth, quiet, controlled, and premium. Here you can see the advanced engineering, refined, efficient, and designed for long-lasting performance. The Defender starts at $54,100. The Kia Sorento starts at $31,100. For value, choose the Sorento.
Congratulations on selecting the 2026 Sorento.
Thank you. The handover process has been exceptional.
I'm taking this powerful ride on a full test drive across different routes, so you can experience every moment with me. Stay with me till the end, because what's coming next, especially the helicopter moment, is something you definitely don't want to miss.
Endless road ahead. Absolutely magical. Best vacation drive ever. The Kia Sorento feels smooth, stable, and this view is unreal. This road, this speed, nothing feels better.
This view, Dubai never disappoints.
Perfect spot, perfect moment.
And it fits right in, smooth, clean, beautiful.
The luxury premium vibe. Your Kia Sorento has arrived safely.
This deal is done.
Fast delivery.
Luxury premium vibe, the best experience always.
Don't forget to subscribe.